This video is going to show you how to use the new My Documents dashboard in CARS. To navigate to the dashboard, from the home page, click My Documents. This dashboard has been created following user feedback. It should make it easier to manage and review the discussions on your documents in CARS. This dashboard provides an overview of all the discussions that have been left on your documents. It includes documents where you are either the document owner or the lead author. The summary table includes whether the item has been resolved, what the latest comment was, and the count of all comments. It can be used to help answer questions like which discussions are open, which have been responded to, and which are resolved, and what is an overview of the discussions that each reviewer has raised. The left-hand sidebar lists all the documents where you are either the lead author or document owner. The title and code of the document are listed, and your role within the document is displayed. If you have many documents, you can navigate through these using the next page buttons at the bottom of the sidebar. You can also search in here for a specific document. In this example, we're going to look at document CA185. When I click the document, it expands to show all the versions available. This includes the live document and then all other versions that have been created. It shows the name of the version and states live document if this is the live CARS document. For each version, it shows the number of discussions that have been raised and how many of these are resolved. If they are not all resolved, a grey icon is shown with a cross. However, if they are all resolved, a green tick is shown. For versions, there is an information icon. When you hover, it will show you who versioned this and at what date. To populate the content of the dashboard, click the version you would like to review. The main table on the dashboard is populated. At the top of the page, it states the name of the document that we are reviewing, and then the table is displayed. The columns show the section, the number of discussions in each section, and whether all those discussions are resolved. If we compare sections 2 and 3, Section 2 has 12 discussions and they are not all resolved. Section 3 has only one discussion and this is resolved. Let's look at Section 1. When you click a section, it will expand to show you the discussions that exist within the section. Section 1 has expanded to show the 4 discussions that have been raised in this section. The table includes the clause that they are raised on, the discussion text, who raised the discussion and when, how many comments have been left in response to the discussion, and what was the latest comment that has been left. There is also a Go to Section button. This opens the correct section in a new tab. The final column indicates whether the discussion has been resolved. A green tick shows it has been resolved, and a grey cross shows it is still open. This allows you to quickly understand what discussions need attention because they are unresolved or have not been responded to by other users. In the My Documents view, we are either the document owner or lead author on the document, and as a result, the discussions raised by all users are listed. In this example, I'm logged in as user HE staff, but I see all of the discussions raised by HE staff, tag user, and supply chain. In contrast, in the My Discussions view, you only see the discussions or comments that you have raised. This is because you may have raised discussions or comments on other documents where you are not a document owner or lead author role. Let's open a different version of this file. This opens the discussions raised on this version only. The same table is displayed, and you can see that all discussions have been resolved for both sections 1 and 2. If I click to expand, I am shown the same level of detail. You may wish to review the progress of the discussions on a specific version. For example, perhaps you have created a TPB version and you would like to see the progress of all the discussions on this version.